In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a standard operating procedure doc. An SOP turns tribal knowledge into repeatable, reliable action. We'll walk through a practical approach so your team can follow it the same way every time, even when someone is brand new. Start by defining the purpose and scope. Before you write, be explicit about what process the SOP covers, who is responsible for following it, when it should be used, and what outcome defines success. A clear statement like this SOP explains how to process customer refund requests to ensure consistency, compliance, and timely resolution, sets expectations, and keeps the document focused. Next, use a standard structure. Consistency across SOPs is more important than perfection, so reuse the same template. Include a header with the title, department, owner, version, effective date, and last updated. Add a brief purpose section explaining why the SOP exists, and a scope that clarifies what's included and excluded. Define roles and responsibilities so it's obvious who does what, such as support reviewing requests, a team lead approving higher amounts, and finance processing payments. List prerequisites like system access, logins, and policy documents so no one is blocked. For the core procedure, write steps in numbered order using clear action verbs. Keep one action per step, add screenshots or links where helpful, and include decision points. For example, open the customer ticket, verify the order number and payment status. Check eligibility against the policy, submit the refund in the payment processor if eligible, update the ticket with confirmation, and then close the ticket. Define exceptions and escalations, such as when a request is over a certain amount or outside policy. Specify quality checks like processing within a target time, the correct amount, and proper documentation. Link to related materials such as the refund policy, your CRM guide, or a short training video. Write for the least experienced person. Assume the reader has no context and is working independently. Use visuals strategically, screenshots, flowcharts, checklists, or a quick walkthrough video to reduce training time. Keep language clear and action-oriented. Use verbs like click, select, verify, and submit. Avoid vague phrases, long paragraphs, and assumptions that readers will just know. Establish version control and ownership. Name an owner, set a review cadence, and record change history. Store SOPs where work happens, whether that's Notion, Google Docs, Confluence, or Process Street, so people can actually find and use them. Test before publishing by having a new hire or uninvolved teammate follow it exactly. Capture confusion points, clarify missing steps, and refine wording. Maintain it as a living document. Update when tools change, archive old versions, and encourage feedback. Watch out for common mistakes like over-documenting the obvious, skipping decision points, lacking ownership, skipping updates, or writing in abstract language. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.